Hey, yeah, to the whole world, the folks. It's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of my life programming school. Right now, I'm about to dive into exercise 4.2, which reads as follows. We've got to write a program that asks the user how many credits they have taken. If they have taken 23 or less, print that the student is a freshman. If they have taken between 24 and 53, then that they are sophomore. Okay, if they've taken between that, okay. The range for juniors is that, and for seniors is that and over. Okay, as you can see, you guys have already created a file here to write my code, so it's gonna be as simple as going. First, I need to retrieve number of credits. Eval input enter length in cm. Now I'll simply go if number of credits is less than or equals to 23, I want to do something else. If elif told you guys I teach other languages as well, so that's why you find myself doing something like that. Okay, else if doesn't work here in Python, only elif does. Okay, so elif number of credits is less than or equals to 53, but greater than, and the number of credits is greater than or equals to 24. What do I want to do in that case? There's something I want to do, so I'll leave it like that for now. Now what, let me keep printing. In this case, this is a freshman, so I'll simply display the student is a freshman. So for the sake of avoiding taking that much of a time, I'll copy that and replace that with sophomore. Okay, now copy that up there and replace those numbers with the correct ones, which is 54 and 83. So 83 right there, 54 right there. So in order for us to say that a student is a junior, he or she has to have taken 54 to 83 credits. Okay, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm not taking too much of your time here, you guys. So I'll simply go junior. Perhaps the last case I should try, or else I'll print the student is a senior. 84 or over. No, I need to use elif, not else, because because else we'll also accept numbers that I don't want. So I'll simply go elif copy that. Let me just go greater than 84. But you see, my example, there's something that they did not mention here, and that is we should make sure that the credits are actually greater than 0. There's no way in hell the credits a student can take negative credits. Okay, so let me go if number of credits is less than or equals to 0, then that right there I'll simply display error, invalid inputs. Okay, but you know what, for now let me get rid of that portion over there, and there's a reason for that, you guys will see in a moment. Okay. Okay, now let me hit run. Let me put a number like 54. Okay, 45 I meant. So 45, if someone with 45 credits is who has taken 45 credits is a sophomore. So that right there will be a senior. If you say you're taking 12, then you are a freshman. Now what if a user gives us a negative number like, you see, our program says this is a freshman, even though negative credits aren't acceptable. So that is why I'm gonna do that. Okay, and go else. Now I'm gonna have to shift the whole thing to the right. Now we're good, you guys. Let's try again this time around. Our program still works, you guys, as you can see. However, if we enter a negative number this time around, it won't tell us that a student is a freshman. It will tell us that there is an error. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.